I was out here camping with grass, and we heard a bunch of different sounds throughout the night, and he asked me to talk about what I had heard specifically. At one point, we were sitting down just talking and having a beer, and behind us, uh, we heard a sound, and we decided it kind of sounded like somebody with corduroy jeans rubbing their legs together, which was really interesting. We only really heard that like once, uh, but it was pretty loud, and I would say it was at least, I don't know, 75 to 100 feet behind us, just assuming that it was right on the other side of the road from where we're camped at. And so it was pretty loud and it was weird. It didn't sound like a Bigfoot necessarily.